Hi guys, it's Maaike. I'm back finally. Well, maybe a one-off because I found some jewels at Action, which is our Dutch dollar store, I would say, or Dollar Tree. And on special offer this week, I'm not sure if that's just in the Netherlands or all the Action stores, but they have a magnetic whiteboard. And it has a nice marble print on it. Yeah. One magnet is not enough for what I'm going to do, and a pen that I just chucked to the side because we don't need it. But I'm sure you have some proper magnets like these rare earth. I can't say it. Neodymium. It's easier to say. On the back it's cardboard, but it's still magnetic, and the font is just metal sheeting, I guess. And I made this yesterday because I was showcasing it into the Facebook group I'm a member of, Creatief met Action, that's it called. Yeah, and what is at the first store, Rattenplan, and I thought, oh, that's nice, it looks DIY, but it has a brand on there that I didn't see, and I'm not sure it's sharp, and I just realized there's no centimeters, so I didn't cut it properly. I thought it was nice and small for my desktop, but might have to go back. Yeah, basically, if you have the magnetic workstations from brands, I have this Crafts & Co. one, Love to Craft, because on offer this memo board, or marble whiteboard it's called, is €144, so that's not a lot. And I bought a few for friends that come to inkblend or make cards. And then since yesterday, that was Friday, they had these layering stencils, and I had to go back a few times to see when they came in, because they showed up as new on the website, but they weren't in the stores, at least not in my store. You might already have them. And these are $149, and there are 7 pieces in there, like a finger dauber, 3 inks, and 3 stencils. Now, I didn't try them yesterday when I got them in. I wanted to have a first look and first try on camera, so I'm sorry if I'm fumbling a little bit, but that's what might happen to you as well, so it's an honest review. And the inks, yeah, they're Decotime, like the markers that I have as well. I'm still working on the blending chart, by the way. It's hard to find the energy sometimes, and also I have stuff to do in the garden, usually. Yeah, they're cheap, so you might have to prick out a few bits, I don't mind. And they might be useful as masks as well. They don't all have the innards still in there. But yeah, basically this is a disconstructed flower. It comes with a background that I didn't use, the different shape or size, leaves and a couple of flowers. But it's not like you can ink blend the whole stencil and then do the step 2 with the other stencil. So 1 flower and 1 twig, they come, I had to look here, in separate parts of the stencil. You can see it, you go vertically for this one. And I did use the finger dauber and the inks that come with it, and I was pleasantly surprised that it's really pigmented. Yes, Rich, it's my cat. Oh, by the way, if you stick around till the end, I cut out a bit where he came to see me working on the video. But if you want to see Charlie make an appearance, you hear him, maybe, don't know. He wants to go outside, but I have to close the window because there's noises. And I think they're pigment, not sure, they felt really pigmented and chalky or kind of greasy, I can't explain. But I switched to Memento, and I'm using my makeup brushes. They're also a hack. Any hacks in this video? And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised, I have to say. For $1.49 you get, you know, the whole box with stencils and inks and one dauber. But you have to cut them out, or you have to mask them. And it looks nice on the example, but they didn't tell you that, did they? And yeah, it's fine. Might cut some mask, but I didn't do that for the video. I do not tend to color flowers because they take too much with markers. And so I was looking which one goes with it. But yeah, basically just go down vertically. I might post more examples on Instagram or Facebook, which kind of the same, because I always post them to the same media. But follow me there if you want to see once I figure them out. This is just the first look, and as I say, I'm surprised. €1.49. That's like nothing. And the stencils work fine. You have to prick them out maybe, and I have to figure out the color combos maybe, because you have to go from light to dark if you want to layer them like this, I guess. Don't know. You can do yellow, but then you know you get orange. So I'm not sure even what flowers this is, but it looks good, right? It looks the same. And I zoomed in. Even for me, that is not very good at layering things, because I'm blind. I like it. Wait, I like it because it's $1.49. If I bought this for €20 and it didn't work, I would be a little bit more peeved. And yeah, they come very close to the edge, so you might have to mask off your card base, but if you cut them out, it doesn't really matter anymore. I might mask. I think that's the way to go. And I'm sure you only have to do the biggest flower mask, and the roses are easy to cut out. And this one actually is not that hard of a shape to do either. And yeah, with the DFC, if you had a mask, you can just cover up that flower, no problem. And now it went a little bit into the flower. And you probably wouldn't see that in real life, and I went light and then dark. You can do different color. I think on the example there's a dark outside but a more grayish green stem, like eucalyptus. And then you see I'm showing you just a little bit that you can cut it out, but I've done it on 350 grams DCP paper, which is very sturdy, but it's easy to cut masks, let's say that. And yeah, I like it. So follow me on social media. I'll promise to make a few more videos, because, well, you know why I haven't been up to making videos, but yeah, slowly getting back into it. And I haven't filmed the AA cards challenges as I meant to do. And actually, bar one, I finished all my cards for this year. But yeah, it's hard to find your mojo when you know my situation. But I will do better. I keep saying that every video, I think. But thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to share it, please do, because that helps out the algorithm. A like and a comment as well. Helps me a bunch, although I don't make any money anymore. I switch off the ads, of course, but I will see you soon, hopefully. Thank you for watching. Bye.